Number 6, we're looking at here at chords. We're going to find the measurement of each given arc or chord. Here we see we're asking to find the measurement of arc AC. Arc AC is right here. We need to develop some equations here. We can't just do a simple arc addition postulate here by adding arcs because we only have one arc here, which is that arc of AB, which is 130. But we do know that this chord here, which is a value of 7, and this chord here has a value of 7. The fact that these chords are the congruent, then these arcs here are also going to be congruent. Okay, so therefore we came to the realization that this can be, let's say, the unknown of x. This can also be the unknown of x. But these two have to be the same because the chords are the same. All right. So therefore, we can now set up the arc addition postulate. We know that the arc of AC plus the arc of BC plus the arc of AB, which is this part. I'm going to make this in blue right here. This is the arc of AB, right? Together, that gets you 360 degrees. But AC was X plus BC was also X. That blue part is your 130, and that's going to equal to 360. Combine some like terms, 2x plus 130 is equal to 360. Subtract 130 from both sides. This gets you 230 equals 2x. Divide by 2, you get x is equal to 115. So these were both 115 degrees. So we can say the measurement of arc AC is equal to 115 degrees. Next, here we're asked to find this arc measurement of PQR. Well, we know that the arc of PQR is, as a result, an addition of arc PQ, which is right here, plus the arc of QR. And we know that PQ is 40. Do we know what QR is? Actually, it's also 40. Why is that? Well, because PT is also equal to, let's say right here, TR. Okay, these two are congruent. Okay, the fact that these chords are, so these part of the chords are congruent. The arcs here are congruent because again, this is a diameter intersecting a chord. So if this is 40, this also has to be 40. So this is going to be 40 degrees. So there you go. You can come to that conclusion that the arc PQR is equal to 80 degrees. Okay, this is only possible because it is a diameter intersecting a chord.